Now, just in that short time that I've been taking pictures, you can see that there are leaks that are active right now as we speak. From the bottom of this joint here, and then from the very edge of this one, you can see that there's water right there on my finger. It's all coming down. And just in that short 10-minute period where I was documenting up in that crawl space, you can see that the water has collected right here on the wood floor and making a small puddle. You can see everything's wet. Right there. And it's very mild outside, maybe 65 degrees. So on a particularly hot day, this is going to condensate much more. So that's what we've got.